in bed. So room service is complimentary, so it's included in the price. And so I ordered some French toast with my maple syrup right here, orange juice, some sausage and mashed potato or roasted potatoes, and some pancakes. And we also got butter, ketchup. I don't know what I'm doing with ketchup, but you know, maybe for the sausages. So breakfast in bed. It's lit. So good morning guys, it is day 3 of vacation. I am in my swimsuit. I am going to go to the beach and then I am going to go to the hot tub before I get ready to check out. The sun is gloriously hot, not overwhelmingly hot, but gloriously a nice summer sun, if you will, even though it is fall, but it's a good vibe. Alright, so see you guys. Beach day. Ready. So guys, I'm at the...
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about things I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign.
Decided we're going to go sailing today.
To sign my life away to jump out of a plane. Look at sailing now, stop me.
Why? We're signing up with Mishi Rishi. Yes. And Nella. And so we're going to go sailing.
Of course I am. I'll practice.
Excited?
Yeah, we are.
Excited?
Good morning.
Excited? Alright. We're all ready. Yes, we're getting ready to go. It's on?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're getting ready to go sailing with my roommate. Life jackets on. We're going with our guide Romaine over there.
You don't want copyright.
I heard it was song.
I don't think singing is fun. But do they call it a cover? It'll probably be a cover.
A cover of Sail Away by that guy that sang the song.
You want the song that?
Sail away, sail away, sail away. It's an 80s song. I don't know there.
Well, stop recording now?
Yeah.
Or do I hold on to anything?
Okay, the black things on your feet. Hold on to it.
I will record it. Sailing. So what got you into sailing, Rami? Yeah. Water.
passion that I get in my later days.
Okay.
I'm not from this kind, but I find something in this kind.
Okay.
It's good. So I'm a fan of the water now.
Okay.
Whether above or under.
Oh, so you do diving too?
Yes.
Ah.
Diving.
Oh, you are.
I'm a boat captain. Huh?
Do you teach diving?
I can, but I'm not certified to teach.
Oh.
Boat captain, lifeguard, diver, water instructor, and the father.
Oh.
Congratulations! I think that's the most important job.
I'm excellent. Most important and most expensive.
Both.
I don't think it's a job. Job is something you get paid from.
Don't worry, you haven't reached the benefit.
We're sailing. Oh gosh.
I'm gonna take off my glasses out there.
Comfort, that's when I might turn.
Oh god.
You're not comfortable. You can tell me and I turn around. You leave it up to me.
In the water.
I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young.
Alright.
I'll take a hit and still finish
along.
yeah, yeah.
We're gonna sing.
Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby.
I'm here for it.
It's a total stay of my adult life. Oh yeah.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Isn't that too far away from our hearts? Yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby.
I got her.
Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world,
That's the color of the water, so you know the sand is far.
breathe slow, baby.
This view is the bomb. Look at Jamaica. Yay! I love it. Look at that! Yay! No regret. Absolutely not. Gorgeous. Sailing, sailing.
any dolphin ever jumped onto a sail? Have you ever gone that far?
Well,
Did you
only-
ever get an unsuspected visitor?
No.
Okay.
I don't try to different those because they might play with you and play with your rope. They
Understood.
play rope, however.
Dolphins are assholes. They're not kind.
They will protect you even as wild as they be, because if you're in the water and there's going to be a shark or something, if it's going to be possible, they will protect you.
You see?
Whether they know you or
But I
not, but
still
they're going
like
to kill
them.
you because they're going to play with you.
And they just too rough.
They're going to eat you real bad.
Oh.
So it's better to come from
Sasha and Misha.
Sasha and Misha.
Hi.
Woo! We're back.
They're going on their sailing adventure now.
All right.
So Sasha and Misha are all the way out yonder, out to sea. This is how far they are. Let's see how sea is. That's where they are, out to sea. And yeah, that's how far away they are. And our captain is taking us another set on level. So I'm back on shore. Alright guys, so I just came from sailing. Wait. Just came from sailing. Sail away, sail away, sail away. Alright, they're coming back. So how did you like sailing?
Loved it. It was magnificent, and we had a great, what's that, captain at the helm. He was fun, he was interesting, he was conversational. I love that.
Alright, they're back.
Come on in, y'all.
What are you guys doing?
We're doing well. It was good. What's your
You had good time?
Yes.
Sasha? So you have the jerk hut, but this is where I'm going. So I am in hot tub, relaxing. So it is lunchtime. We're getting the soup. My battery is low, so you know, lunch is through.